is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong.
Growing number of mysterious attacks.
It's called Havana syndrome.
Havana syndrome.
Bizarre illnesses reported over the years.
So much resistance from
So is familiar with the incident known as Havana syndrome. A possible cause of Havana syndrome would be a
White House staff, CIA officers, FBI agents, military officers, and their families.
Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. You better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop now, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop.
I know where the bodies are buried. I know the cabinets to look in, the questions to ask. 20 minutes in the skiff, and I'll convince all of you.